Welcome back to the Arizona Daily Mix. Now, you're probably looking for something to do this weekend with the kids being off and trying to get them a little educated. How about going back in time to dinosaur days and meeting Victoria at the Arizona Science Center? It's the Arizona Science Center. And why not go down and meet Victoria? This is not Victoria. This is Sari. So, meet Victoria the T.rex. So, this is so cool. This is the largest T.rex bones, right? Or
she's one of the largest. She's the
largest.
second most complete ever found, so she's absolutely spectacular.
All right, this is at the Arizona Science Center, which I love going down there and seeing. You can see they actually take you back in time because she's not the only one down there you can see, right?
Well, so she is the only dinosaur we have, but man, she's spectacular and definitely worth the trip because at 66 million years old and being one of the most complete ever found, I mean, you don't get a chance to see this very often.
No.
And we also have all 199 real bones that were found, and that's unusual when you're talking about a museum quality exhibit too.
Where was she found?
So she was found in Faith, South Dakota in 2013.
Wow.
Yes.
Right in our own backyard.
Right here, yes. So North America, and then processed in Victoria, British Columbia, hence the name Victoria.
Wow. Okay, what do we have here? Because these are some dinosaur bones, right? Or well, is this poop?
So this one's not poop,
Okay.
but you know what? We can actually start with this because go ahead and pick that up and take a quick guess at what you might think it is.
I'm gonna say a tree.
It is, good guess.
Yeah.
This is petrified wood. So this is a fossil now, and that's what we usually start with as a conversation piece because as a fossil, you take what the hard thing is, so bone, wood, and it becomes rock. So feel how heavy that is.
It is very heavy.
It doesn't feel like wood, right?
No.
Really heavy. So as a fossil, it's a good place to start the conversation about what a fossil is. And then we have some other examples here. These are replicas, but this hadrosaur skull here shows marks from a T.rex, and this was food. And then we also have a replica of a T.rex tooth.
That's a T.rex. See, this is so funny. I've never gotten up to the teeth before, like close up with the, the heads and stuff there.
So that's something you can actually do with Victoria that's unique. Her skull, her real skull is ground level on a rotating base. You can get up close and see it and see those real teeth. And we have this great replica so that you can see how big it is. I mean, compare it to your own tooth. It's absolutely huge, right? That's good for ripping and tearing of our whole mouth, but you can feel that cutting ridge and just see, this is the gum line here where the root would be. Just a big, big animal.
Okay, I'm gonna get serious with you for a moment. I'm gonna get serious with my audience out there, and that is, why do you call it a science center when it's so much fun to go down there? Because people are, I mean, I don't believe they understand they're learning. The kids don't realize that when they're down there because it's so much fun.
You know what? And science is fun. That's what we're all about, to inspire, educate, and engage those curious minds through science, show people that science is fun and relevant and just exciting. So we like to have a lot of fun, and we know that anybody that comes down will have fun too.
How long is Victoria in town for?
All right, until May 25th.
Oh wow, so you have time to get down there.
Yes, but don't delay because it's going to get busy, and you're going to want to come back and see it over and over.
And it's a great Christmas gift for the kids to go and enjoy because again, you go through and you learn a lot about, of course, the dinosaurs and what happened back in BC time, what they call it. Also, after Christmas, you guys got something cool going on. What's that?
We sure do. So Snow Week is happening at the Science Center starting December 26th. So this year made possible by our friends at Subaru. So we have over 100 tons of snow coming in right to downtown Phoenix.
I love it. Thanks for stopping in.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
All right. Wow. I'll tell you, that's some big dinosaur, huh? All right. Hey, we want to keep you in the holiday mood because I know you're probably going out doing that last minute shopping. So